Hello friends, welcome to Finance MCQ. Friends, today we will discuss the vacancy released by GAIL India Limited. So let's start the video. Friends, GAIL India has released a special recruitment drive for PWBD category candidates in various disciplines. So these vacancies are exclusively for PWBD category candidates and not for others. At serial number 2, there is a vacancy for senior accountant. It's a S7 grade vacancy. It's a non-executive grade. There are total 2 vacancies for different category 1 and category 2 PWBD category candidates here, and the category mentioned is B and LV. B stands for blind and LV stands for low vision, and second one is for D and HH, where D is for deaf category candidate and HH for hard of hearing category candidate. So if you are from any of these category, then you are eligible to apply for this vacancy. Now let's discuss the other terms and conditions also. So here for senior accountant, it's a S7 grade. Pay scale will be in the range of 35,000 to 1,38,000. Upper age limit for general EWS category candidate is 50 years, and for OBC non-creamy layer is 53 years, and for SC/ST is 55 years. Friends, here they have not mentioned whether it is for reserve category, unreserved category. Is just for PWBD category. So even if you are from any of the category and you fall into these categories, then you are eligible. Now here the qualification asked is either a CA Inter or CMA Inter, or you should be a MCOM degree holder with minimum 2 years with minimum 55% marks. So basically a regular MCOM degree holder with 55% or above, you are eligible, and candidate should be proficient in operations of personal computer and having basic knowledge and skills in computer application, basically MS Office you should be aware about. And here the experience asked is minimum 8 years post qualification experience in finance and accounts in various state, central, department, organization, undertakings or large private sector companies, institutions, company of repute, etc. So minimum 8 years of post-qualification experience is asked here, and here they specifically mention only full-time regular course will be considered except for CA/CMA qualification. So CA/CMA inter candidates is not considered for full-time course, and your minimum post-qualification experience should be as on 13th September 2024. So by this date you should be having 8 years or more experience, then only eligible. Then pay scale, as I already mentioned, you will be in the pay grade of 35,000 to 1,38,000. Initial basic pay will be 35,000. Apart from the basic pay, you will be paid all other allowances, perks and perquisites of the company as per their policy. Application fee, friends, there will not be any application fee. You will be exempt from making any application fee. How to apply? You have to apply through website of the company through online mode only. Then there are the various other details mentioned regarding how to fill up this application form. You can check them in detail. Now selection process, very important. Friends, here they have mentioned that for senior accountant there will be a written test or computer proficiency test. Basically a computer based test will be there, and there will not be any interview or group discussion. Selection purely based on the written test depending upon how many applications they are receiving, and question will be of 100 marks, and each correct question will have 1 marks, and there will not be any negative marking. So that's really a good thing. You can attempt all the questions, and duration of the written test will be 90 minutes. And for qualifying the written test, you need to score overall 30%, then you will be eligible for getting into the merit list. And shortlisted candidate in the ratio of 1:5 will undergo skill test. So skill test, basically they will test you whether you are familiar with the computer knowledge or not. So they will just check your knowledge of MS Office through the skill test. And we at Finance MCQ will help you to prepare your technical syllabus for this examination. The exam pattern will be same as that of junior accountant. The course is already available on Finance MCQ website. Then the test centers are also mentioned. Your test will be in the following cities only and not throughout India. So do keep this in mind. It's majorly in the big cities and not everywhere. Here the important dates are mentioned. Online application are already started from 14th August, and last date of making online application is 13th September 2024 up to 6 p.m. So that's all, friend. If you are meeting the eligibility criteria, here the experience asked is little bit on a higher side. 8 years post qualification experience is asked. So if you are having the desired experience, then you should give it a try. You will get a good package and also the working experience in a PSU company. So definitely give it a try. So that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end.